Hello everyone, in this video we'll be talking about different approaches in QTN. But before that, I would like to just summarize what I taught in my last video, which is quantity of money is directly related to prices, whereas quantity of money is inversely related to value, right? Okay, so keeping this thing aside, moving on. Firstly, as said before, we have two approaches. One is Fisher's and another is Cambridge. So firstly we'll be starting with Fisher's approach. Now according to Fisher, basically this is the formula. Now this might seem a bit complicated or you might not understand what's the relation of what and all. So firstly we'll start with the nomenclature of these variables. So the M that you see is money, or say currency, V is velocity, P is price level, and T is transactions. Now money, you can think of this 10 rupees note. Velocity is basically number of times this note has changed hands from one person to another person. For example, I used to have this 10 rupees note and then I had to buy something. I had to buy, say, lace. So I gave it to the shopkeeper and got my lace, but my 10 rupee bill went to him. Now this man walked into his home and gave the thing to his wife and asked her to spend it on ration. So next day she went to some ration shop and she got something for herself. Now again she gave this 10 rupee to this guy in order to buy a thing. So this change of hands is called velocity. So I hope this left hand side is very much clear. Now coming to the right hand side, we have price level. Price level is very simple to understand. It's just the pricing in an economy. For example, I am still paying 10 rupees for this lace. So yes, this is the price level of lace in my economy for now. And transaction is basically number of times, or basically number of times you pay your money in order to get a thing. Okay, for example, what's happening between these two guys is called transaction. What's happening between, not them, but what's happening between them is called a transaction, because when I gave him my money, he had to give me something, right? So yes, this is transaction.